I'm telling you once again, friends, this is the ROM that I really like to have it on my Redmi Note 13. If you have a Redmi Note 13 and unlock bootloader variant, what are you waiting for? Grab the ROM file by clicking the link provided in my video description and flash it. Definitely you are going to not like it. You are going to love it. Well friends, my name is Aurangzeb and you are watching my YouTube channel Tech Infomania. If you are getting help from my videos, do not forget to like the video, keep sharing it, and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, to watch and to get the notification on the time, stick with my channel by subscribing it. Click or tap the bell icon, click or tap the select all. I really appreciate your contribution. Thank you so much. Redmi Note 13 4G variant. Always on display. Such a bright always on display, working fine. Check out the animation. And check out the fingerprint scanner, working fine. So the face unlocking is also working very fine. This is HyperOS 4.0.0.10, the HotFixed version. The earliest version that I flashed was having bugs. But this time the developer released the HotFixed version, which is really brilliant ROM for the Redmi Note 13. This ROM coming with the Android 17, so the mobile phone will get updated to Android 17. Awesome. Application you can see on my mobile phone straightly downloaded from the Google Play Store. Check out the icons colors, looking so beautiful. Device is certified. Why? Because let me tell you. KaoriosToolbox is coming by default with the ROM, which is awesome toolbox. You can actually get the strong integrity and you can make the device certified with the help of this toolbox. This toolbox is very awesome. You can actually do many more things with the help of this toolbox. Thanks to the developer who actually provided this toolbox with the current version of the HyperOS 4 on Redmi Note 13. Banking application not having any issues. If you have any banking application, you can straight download it and you can open it, because as far the ROM is not rooted, the banking application will not have any issues. The earliest version that I flashed was having issues with the personalization. Now this one does not have any issues. By tapping the personalization, it will go further and you can select the features or the options that provided here. Themes are getting downloaded and not having any issue. So the earliest version was missing the visual style, but this HotFixed version got the visual style. Actually, you can select one of the visual style provided here, the soft glass or the frosted glass. Yes, this visual style, by selecting it, you will see the ROM will look much beautiful. The visual style effects really awesome. Let me show the QS panel. The QS panel, you can see that the widgets surrounding having these visual style effects. I'm telling you, it is looking more beautiful on my mobile phone. ROM is coming with the Mi dialer. You can actually record calls. Now check out the interface of the dialer. The HyperOS 4 dialer interface got changed. This ROM is also coming with the Mi SMS. The camera is working fine. Only the rear camera have issues with the portrait mode. That's all. Other than that, all the modes except the portrait mode with the rear camera not working. But with the front camera, the portrait mode is actually working. Well guys, as you know that the Redmi Note 13 will not get the stock official HyperOS 4 Android 17. If you have a variant of the Redmi Note 13, either the NFC one or the without NFC one, what are you waiting for? If you have an unlocked bootloader Redmi Note 13, grab the ROM, flash it. I'm telling you definitely guys, you will not even like this ROM, but you will love this ROM. Awesome ROM on the awesome Redmi Note 13. Watch my further video how to flash it. Before starting the procedure, I always say that if your mobile phone bootloader is locked, you cannot flash any custom ROM. Your mobile phone bootloader must be unlocked, right? Check the mobile phone battery, it must be charged. If the battery below 30%, charge the mobile phone battery. You have to save all the internal storage data, otherwise data will get formatted. Must turn off the screen lock. Okay, done. In case if you are using Xiaomi account, then must remove the Xiaomi account. Sync your Google account once, must remove it to avoid issues. Simply power off the mobile phone. So link provided in my video description. Well, if you can see, this was the first release of the HyperOS 4 ROM for the Redmi Note 13. I downloaded and I installed it, and then the developer straightly released the second release, which is actually HotFixed release. So developer was getting complaints about the bugs that we are facing, and thanks to the developer who fix the things and release the hotfix version for the Redmi Note 13. So I will flash this one because I am having the earliest version, but this time I will go with the hotfix. Yes, we have to extract the ROM file after downloading it, because I am going to apply the fast boot flashing method, which is actually coming with the ROM. So it is done. Then you will see the extracted folder, right? So open the extracted folder and you can see the batch file only for the Windows provided here, where Windows install and format data batch file. Now I will come towards my mobile phone screen. Check the mobile phone, it must be totally power off. Always use a good quality of data cable for flashing and for mobile phone charging. Other side of the data cable must be connected with computer or laptop, whatever option you have. Put the mobile phone into fast boot mode. Press and hold the volume down key. Connect the cable with the mobile phone. In few seconds, you will see fast boot screen will appear on mobile phone. Release the volume down key, right? This is the fast boot screen. My mobile phone bootloader is already unlocked. My mobile phone is connected with computer, booted already into fast boot mode. On my computer screen, I am already in the extracted folder of the ROM, which is actually 4.0 HotFix, right? Double click the Windows install and format data batch file. Command window will pop up, will ask you to press the Y, but before pressing Y, you need to read the details that provided on the command window. It will format the data. Press the Y button on the keyboard and then press enter key. So the flashing will start and it will take time. We have to wait here. The command window will automatically get closed after when flashing done, and the mobile phone will also automatically restart. So flashing done and the command window automatically close. I am done from the computer and I will disconnect the data cable from the mobile phone. So the mobile phone will stay on this Mi logo for a while and then it will start booting. The first boot will take some time. Once again, we have to wait. First boot completed. If you see the welcome screen, I can see the visual effects on the welcome screen. If you see this right arrow, yes, I can see the effects, the visual style, and let me complete the setup screen. Right. When I was completing the setup screen, the status bar icons was in black color, but now you can see it become again in white color. It was supposed to be, or it is supposed to be in black color on the white screen. Doesn't matter. Well, this is not that big issue, but the thing that was not working with the earliest version, let me check the personalization now. Well, it is working now, but before the earliest version was also showing this thing. I was tapping agree. Now it got fixed. So I have logged in my Gmail account and I opened the Play Store and it automatically showing me to download these applications that I usually and mostly always download after flashing the custom ROM. So you can see that the awesome ROM of the HyperOS 4.0.0.10 coming with the Android 17 got flashed smoothly on my Redmi Note 13. After downloading few applications from the Google Play Store, just open the KaoriosToolbox and it will do the things automatically. You can clear the data of the Play Store, then you will check the Play Store, it will show device is certified. Well, thank you friends for watching my video. Give a like to this video, keep sharing it. Remember to subscribe my channel also. We'll see you again. Till then, bye bye.